Good morning, my dear students. Today we have to know about the mechanism of DNA replication. In living cells, the process of replication requires a set of catalysts. Enzymes. The main enzyme is DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Since it uses a DNA template to catalyze the polymerization of deoxyribonucleotides. Polymerization. What is polymerization? The synthesis of new polypeptide chain or new DNA strand is known as polymerization. Okay, so which enzyme is catalyzes the polymerization in DNA molecule? DNA dependent DNA polymerase. These enzymes are highly efficient enzymes as they have to catalyze polymerization of a large number of nucleotides in a very short time. Escherichia coli that has only 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6 base pairs completes the process of replication within 38 minutes. That means the average rate of polymerization has to be approximately 2000 base pairs per second. Deoxyribonucleoside triphosphates serve dual purposes. What is that purpose? One of the purposes act as a deoxyribonucleoside triphosphates, act as a substrate for synthesis of new DNA strands and provides energy. The DNA replication is a highly expensive process. Energy is required. Here the energy is provided by deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate like as adenosine, deoxyadenosine triphosphate, deoxyguanosine triphosphate, deoxycytidine triphosphate, deoxythymidine triphosphates. Okay, so these are act as a substrates and provides energy for the synthesis of DNA molecule. The replication occurs within a small opening of the DNA helix. Look at here, this is a DNA molecule. Replication occurs here in a small opening that is known as a replication fork. The DNA dependent DNA polymerase catalyze polymerization only in one direction, that is 5 prime to 3 prime. The formation of new chain always takes place in 5 prime to 3 prime direction. As a result of this, one chain of DNA is continuously formed and it is termed as leading strand. The formation of second chain begins from the center and not from the terminal points. So this chain is discontinuous and is made of small segments called Wakajaki segments or Wakajaki fragments. This discontinuous chain is termed as lagging strand. Ultimately, all these segments are joined together by an enzyme DNA ligase. These segments are joined together by an enzyme, that's a DNA ligase. Okay, so which enzyme is helpful for the joining of these fragments? DNA ligase enzyme. And here the DNA molecule, two strands. Already have learned about the structure of DNA molecule. The in DNA molecule, one strand polarity has 5 prime, 3 prime. Opposite strand polarity has 3 prime, 5 prime. Anti-parallel. The strands are arranged in anti-parallel. Here, the each of the strand is helpful for synthesis of new strand. One DNA molecule is gives rise to two DNA molecules. 5 prime 3 prime polarity containing strand. On this strand, the DNA fragment, DNA new strand synthesis takes place discontinuously. whereas the template containing 3 prime 5 prime strand helpful for the synthesis of new DNA new strand in continuous manner. Okay, it's a continuous synthesis, here discontinuous synthesis. All these segments are later joined together to form a new polypeptide chain, new strand. So how many now the after the completion of replication DNA molecule, one DNA molecule is gives rise to two DNA molecules. The DNA polymerases on their own cannot initiate the process of replication. Also, the replication does not initiate randomly at any place in DNA. There is a definite region in Escherichia coli DNA where the replication originates. Such regions are termed as origin of replication. The replication of DNA and cell division, cell division cycle. Already have learned about the cell cycle and cell division in first PEC. Thus, replication of DNA and cell division cycle should be highly coordinated. A failure in cell division after DNA replication results into polyploidy. Okay, if after the completion of DNA replication, the cell cycle DNA replication, okay, after the completion of DNA replication, if cell division fails, means that leads to polyploidy, chromosomal abnormality. Okay.